Hello guys, in today's lesson we are going to look at how to calculate the mean of a group and ungrouped data. Let's start by looking at the meaning of the mean. In statistics, the mean is a kind of an average. The most common mean is the arithmetic mean, which is calculated by adding all the values together, then dividing by the number of values. For an ungrouped data, we have the population mean and the sample mean. The population mean is calculated by using the population parameter mu. Mu equals summation of x on n. Then we have the sample mean x bar equals to summation of x on n. Mu here is the population mean. X is the sample value and n is a number of values. X bar is the sample mean. Example, the following are the ages of 8 employees of a small company. Find the mean age of these employees. Here we are going to use the formula mu equals to summation of x on n. Summation of x will just sum the data values, to sum all the data values that will divide it by 8. So mu will give us 362 on 8, which is 45.25 years. So the mean age of all 8 employees of this company is 45.25 years, or equivalently 45 years and 3 months. Now, in case our data is too large, it's more convenient using a frequency distribution table to calculate our mean. In this case, an extra column is being added for the frequency multiplied by the data value, that's fx. So here we'll have x bar to be summation of fx divided by n. F is the frequency, x is the data value, n remains same number of data values. Example, a computer repair service received the following number of calls per day over a period of 30 days. Using a frequency distribution table, find the mean number of calls per day. Round your answer to 1 decimal place. So we are going to analyze this using a frequency distribution table. You start by classifying your data values. We have 2, 3, right up to 9. When you look at 2 on the table above, 2 appears 3 times, 3 2 times. You do the same for the remaining values to obtain their respective tallies. Then now from the tally, you can easily get your frequencies. From the tally where you look at 2 here, 2 appears here 3 times, so the frequency is 3. You do the same for the rest. Then now you calculate fx by taking the data value, multiply it by the frequency to obtain your fx. At the end, you sum now the fx to obtain 173. In the case of this example, you do same with the frequency. Then now to calculate our mean, you take summation of fx, which is 173 divided by n, which is 30. This gives us 5.8. So the average number of calls per day is 5.8. The next example, we are going to look at how to calculate a mean for a group data. In a group data, we arrange our data in terms of classes. Here we have 4 different classes. So we are going to still proceed using a frequency distribution table. On our frequency distribution table, we have x and we have fx. So let's start and see how do you get x. So our x is calculated by taking this the lower limit and the lower upper limit and divided by 2. For example, I have 10 plus 12 divided by 2 to have 11. Then we proceed now the same as the other examples. We calculate our fx. We calculate sum of fx, sum of x, f, then now our x bar, which is summation of fx divided by n, will give us 832 divided by 50, which give us 16.62. Okay, thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.